Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long since we have done a video. I apologize, but today we are back. I'm kind of doing a new series. It is not going to be like a week-long thing. It's going to be a thing that I do kind of here and there. It's called Too Blessed to Be Stressed, and sometimes I have different ways of doing videos, as you can see, but this is kind of be like my corner. Like every other YouTuber, everybody's got like their own space when they do something. Some people have storytelling, some people kind of do like a week-long thing. This will be when I just hop on and I want to be creative, but I don't know what I'm exactly doing. I don't know if I'm doing a creative look. I don't know if I'm doing a glam look. I might just know what palette I want to use that day. So it's called Too Blessed to Be Stressed will be the corner, and I will have its specific playlist where I just come in. I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to play some music over everything. I might not even show products, but I will list all the products down below for you guys. But that's where I let my creative juices flow. And you guys don't always get to see that. It's really hard to be able to do that for YouTube. Even when you do go live, which I don't really do, you don't have the option to really just let the creative juices flow and let you guys see how that works. For me, when I'm letting the creative juices flow, I might have an idea or a palette I want to use, and I just go, okay, let's just see what's going to happen for the day. And me doing my corner of Too Blessed to Be Stressed is when I'm just in a funk or I might have a migraine and I'm just like, you know what, let me go to my space to let me de-stress. So today was one of those days. It has been a very long couple of weeks. I've let you guys in on everything over on Instagram. And I was just like, let me pull out one of my Morphe palettes I haven't used in a while, just so you guys really like when I use the Morphe palette. So I pulled out the gold palette, the 35R, I believe it is. Let's look so I can correct it. Yes, the 35R, and I use that today for this look that you guys are going to see. I gave you all the eye details, and I didn't give you the full face, but you guys got the important stuff on the look. And I just kind of went to town with doing everything. Like I said, you might not see all the products on the screen, but you're going to get all the products listed down below. This is where I just sit and get creative. I knew I wanted to do an eye look today, but as I go, I add detail in different products I want to use. I might add glitter. I might glue things on. I might not. I might do a body paint one day. You know what I'm saying? I don't always know what I'm going to do, but that's where the creative juices flow, and that's kind of where I get the most creative things I can do. When I don't know what I want to do, I just kind of sit down and do it. So that's where the corner, Too Blessed to Be Stressed, will be coming up. It will get a full playlist. But also it'll get, if I have another playlist for like Morphe or skincare, it'll get plugged into those playlists as well for you guys. Or if it's a skincare routine, that kind of stuff, it'll get plugged into the different playlists that I have for you. But today, this will be part of my Too Blessed to Be Stressed routine that we're going to start, our playlist that we're going to start. But this will also be part of a Morphe playlist that I'm going to start for you guys too, because you guys really seem to love to see the different Morphe palettes that I have. And I do have quite a few. So I've branched away from some of the newer ones that I have. We've pulled out the 35R, which is the gold palette they've released, and it's been a while since they've released that one, but it's a beautiful palette for so many reasons. And so many occasions that you can use it for. So I went and did this fun, funky little look here today. So make sure you stay tuned to see how I achieved it. Also, with all the new YouTube rules and regulations to be able to be monetized, please make sure you guys are subscribing, hitting the bell, liking, and sharing my video. And commenting. That is all crucial now to everything going on with YouTube. I will talk about that more with you guys later, either on Instagram, or I'll make a little tutorial here on YouTube with why it's so important for those who don't know, because if you're not in the YouTube world, you might not understand it completely. But it's important now. Before it was just you needed views, and now you need some other stuff. So yeah. It's making it a little bit harder for the smaller brands that are trying to get out there, but it's going to be security later on once we get to this certain platform, which will be cool once we get there. We just got to get there. Anyways, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look today, no brows, by the way, as you can see. I know some people stay tuned for some of these brow or browless looks or the weird things I do with my brows. So anyways, I am so glad to be back. We're going to try and get to a routine for you guys for Friday postings and Sunday postings on videos. But always find me on Instagram for daily postings. We've been really consistent over there lately with tons of stuff going on and everything. So anyways, it feels good to be back, and I will see you guys soon. Make sure you stay tuned for the video.